going on YouTube? Welcome to Backyard Jeeping. My name is Jarek, and today I have a nice little unboxing video for you guys. As you can see, I have the Badlands 12,000 pound winch sitting in front of me. I picked this up from Harbor Freight. It was on sale for around $299, so I could not pass that up. It was well overdue, and it was about time to get one on the Jeep anyways. I also ordered a winch bumper, so once that comes in, I'll do a video on that. So yeah, please like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment down below. Also check out the Instagram and Facebook at Backyard Jeeping, as well as the online store, backyardjeeping.com. I'll have links for all that down in the description below. Let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. Alright guys, so we got the box right here. Let's go ahead and get it opened up. I went ahead and cut the tape and the straps off. Let's get this opened up here. So you have an owner's manual and safety instructions booklet. And then you have your hook and strap. Nothing special with the strap. It looks like you have your breaker. But here's the breaker. Hopefully this is focused. I can't really see the screen. Alright, there's the breaker. And you got a cable. Right here. Alright. Yep, a little hardware bag. This is probably just a mounting hardware. Bunch of nuts, bolts, and washers in it. And then you have your wire remote, which I do plan on getting a wireless one. But here is the wired remote. Just a simple in-out switch. That's it, nothing too fancy. Then your plug for it, of course. So that's everything that comes up at the top here. So let's go ahead and take this off and see what's inside. Oh yeah, there's the piece de resistance. Now that you're not 7 feet in the air and I can actually see the screen, I figured I'd go ahead and give you guys a closer look at everything. So right here is the mounting hardware. Then you have your 3/8 hook. Your breaker. And your wired remote. Just a simple in-out function. Now I do plan on getting the wireless remote that Harbor Freight sells. And then of course the remote just plugs into the top of your solenoid right there. Then you also have your fair lead and your rollers. Now the only thing that I don't like about this winch, all my buddies have it and they beat the heck out of these things, so I know they're really good winches, but I just don't like this noise right here. Yeah, that's the only thing that I don't like. It's just that grinding noise. But other than that, man, this thing is a great winch, especially for $299 whenever you can catch it on sale. It is a great winch. So at the top here is your solenoid box. It just has two little hooks on it, hooks in, and then on the back there's two screws. You just tighten those screws down. It does have factory blue Loctite on them. So you just tighten those screws down and that box isn't going anywhere. So then over here, this is where you'll connect your cables. So you have your red, your yellow, and your black. And then you have your battery cables here, your positive and your negative. Everything laid out together, a nice short, sweet video. Just a little unboxing. I am still waiting for the new bumper to come in. So once that comes in, I'll have a video of putting this on the bumper and the bumper on the Jeep and unboxing the bumper and everything all in one video. I just wanted to go ahead and get this out so that way you guys can see a little bit of an update with the Jeep, and so I can tell you guys about why I'm changing my front bumper. Alright guys, a little bit about the bumper that I have and why I am changing it out. So whenever I first started building Big Booty Judy, I wanted to do a removable winch option, so that way I could have it on the front or the rear. Since then, my idea has changed. Of course, it's a daily battle, especially since I've already got the winch It's been a daily battle. Everybody knows that has projects, that stuff's changed at the drop of a hat. So the bumper that I have right now is the Dirtbound Off-Road Mojave bumper, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with this bumper. It's a beast. I've been yanked out with it. I've yanked other people out with it. Slid and hit trees into it. I mean, it's this bumper is a beast. Nothing wrong with it, man. Absolutely amazing product from Dirtbound, but the top plate here isn't wide enough to be able to mount the winch to. Now, of course, I could, fab some stuff up and have it sitting up there, but it's not going to look the way that I want it to look. So that's the only reason why I'm getting rid of this bumper. I don't know if I'm going to sell it or if I'm going to hold on to it for a project later on down the road. Haven't really thought about that part yet, but as of right now, it's just going to be sitting in the Jeep parts pile. That's the only reason why I'm getting rid of it, is I plan on doing a complete makeover of Big Booty Judy, which I'll do a separate video about that. So yeah, hopefully you guys like this little video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Also hit that bell notification icon so that way you can see when the bumper comes in and everything. Leave me a comment down below on what you guys think. Should I keep the removable winch option, or should I just go ahead and slap the winch bumper on there? Also, check out the Instagram and Facebook at Backyard Jeeping. Don't forget to hit up the website, backyardjeeping.com. We do have a sale going on right now. Spring 22, get 12% off any Oxbeam side shooter pod lights or light bar. Go ahead and check that out. Links for all that will be down in the description below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.